Hi, this is my assignment 6 animation project built in Unity 6 for my game programming class. My game is a rollerball game and I have implemented 3 animations as required. And the first animation is a rotating coin, simple animation. This is my first animation. The pickup object in the scene or rotating using a script called Rotator.cs. This script uses transform.Rotate with a vector 3 of 15, 30 and 45 multiplied by time.deltaTime, which spins the cube on all three axes smoothly every frame. We'll see how it is doing here. Okay, stickers sound. So you can see the cubes rolling very smoothly the axes. This is simple animation that requires no rig. It's purely script driven transform movement. I wrote this script myself based on the rollerball tutorial. This tutorial structure, and then we'll go with this pixel part. Okay, so yeah, this is the second animation, spreadsheet. Okay, I'll show in the Unity first. Here you can see the script sheet and flip animation. This is my second animation, a 2D sprite character animated using a sprite sheet I created myself in Piskel, which is a free browser based pixel art tool. I drew 6 individual frames by hand: an idle pose, a walking pose, a passing pose like a running type of, a walking pose and passing pose, and variations, each on 48 by 48 pixel canvas. I then exported them from single PNG script, sprite sheet with 6 columns and 1 row, 288 by 48 pixels total. I imported it into Unity, set the texture type to sprite 2D, sprite mode multiple, and use the sprite editor to slice it into 6 individual scripts. Here we can see that. Yeah, and then using grid by cell size at 48 by 45, I then attached a sprite renderer and animator component to the game object called work animator, and dragged all 6 into the uh, yeah all 6 into the animation timeline to create a flip animation. And then we'll see how it is actually working. Okay, you can see the cycle, like walk cycle here, which is which is kind of like running forces, different size of keyframes of forces. A walk cycle using the same sprite sheet. So yeah, you can see in animation window that there are 6 keyframes on the animator sprite track. The walk cycle follows the standard animation principle: contact down, passing up and back to contact. Critically, frame 1 and frame 6 are both the standing idle pose, which means the first and last frames are identical, closing the cycle loop seamlessly. This is what makes it proper cycle animation as required by the assignment. The animation runs inside the game using utilities built-in Animator system. Then we'll see our pixel tab. Here is the original pixel project file showing all 6 frames I drew. Here you can see, which demonstrates that this is my original work. You can see each frame was hand drawn pixel by pixel in editor. And all 3 animations are running properly in the game. You can see. Let's go ahead and work it on again. See, the cubes are rolling, and then it's very fluent. Yeah, see, so the project is named according to the syllabus and the requirements. Thank you.